Hello, it's Dr. Adebo. I'm one of the pediatricians. It's been a while since I made my video. Just setting up my practice has just kept me a bit busy. But now that the practice is established, I will be able to make some videos moving forward. And so I would love to know what topics you'd like me to talk about, what questions you have. You can reach out to me directly. I will leave email addresses and social media where you can reach out to me. Today, I want to talk to you about how you can fight and stay healthy from cold, flu, and even COVID during this winter season. The winter storm has been moving throughout the country, looks like, and it even brought snow to Houston. We don't get snow that much. We get maybe snow once every 10 years. So this happens to be one of those times. As you can see, we got a good amount of snow this time. And so let's get right to it. Our favorite herbal remedy we use in our family is warm tea and honey. We would crush some ginger roots first, and we use raw unfiltered honey, non-processed, and a sliced lemon. And so we would first boil the ginger roots in the teapot, and then we would serve the tea, and we would add the squeeze of lemon and honey. Honey has been shown to have so many antioxidants, anti-inflammatory benefits. It even helps heal wounds and stuff. And so honey has so many benefits for health. And so when you have a cold and flu, that's a great way of using honey. For a tea bag, we use green tea. You can use herbal tea, black tea, whichever is your favorite. But of course, green tea also has anti-inflammatory property. And so the warm tea and honey is just one of our favorite family remedies we like to use when we have cold and flu. The other thing is warm soup, especially broth-based soup. Warm fluids do help moisten your airways, and they also do break down the mucus so that it's easier to drain. So many studies have shown actually the benefits of warm fluids when you have cold and flu. Even when you have allergies and things like that, and you have a lot of mucus, you have sore throat, you will get a lot of benefits in using warm fluids such as warm tea and honey, warm soups, as we have discussed. The other things you can do is stay hydrated, drink plenty of fluids, water, juice, of course, vitamin C, eat variety of healthy, unprocessed, whole food, rest. You can also take Tylenol and Motrin, Tylenol and ibuprofen or Advil if you have fever, body aches, and headaches. And so I hope you found value in this. If you have questions, concerns, please do reach out to me. I will leave all of my contact information, how you can touch base with me. I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.